Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your phone is unlocked and you have a quick backup of keyboard data if needed. Open Settings and go straight to Apps or App Management. This is where installed input apps live. Once in Apps, either scroll to Installed Apps or use the search field and type Keyboard or Xiaomi to jump directly to the input app. Make sure to note which keyboard is active so you can switch right after removal. You now stop the keyboard process to avoid conflicts. Tap the app, then force stop if the button is enabled. Next, choose Disable or Uninstall Updates. Some system keyboards can only be disabled, not fully removed. Before taking final action, set a different default input under Languages and Input so you don't lose typing capability. Once a replacement is active, proceed with Uninstall or Disable, and confirm the system prompts to complete removal or rollback updates. Finish by rebooting the phone to ensure the system recognizes the input change and that the Xiaomi keyboard is inactive. After restart, go back to Apps, open the keyboard entry and clear cache or data if you see any leftover credentials or settings. If the keyboard stubbornly remains because it's a system app, reset app preferences or, if comfortable, use ADB with the uninstall command. This is necessary only when disable isn't offered.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.